everyone. My name is Rashi and I'm a CSM here at Ardoq. And today I'm going to be walking you through how to create a report using data inventory mode in just a couple of minutes. Now, this is going to be especially helpful if you're trying to sort through a bulk of data and get it really ready to go for your reports and your dashboards. So to get us started, you're going to go ahead and click into the inventory mode and open your data overview. On this page, you actually have the choice to open things by type, which might be new for some of us, or by workspace, which is the traditional normal way that we've been opening data in the world of Ardoq. I'm actually going to go ahead and open my information by type, and in this case, I'm going to open up my applications. So here in my applications list, I actually have all of the different types of metadata that I might be tracking against my applications visible for me to consume, edit, as well as to add information. So you can go ahead and create components in this view, or you can start modifying the information that's kind of already been listed. For example, if I scroll over a little bit, maybe I want to change the business strategic fit of a particular application. Double-clicking will give you the ability to edit this content. Now, to get myself ready for a report that I might be trying to create, I have the ability to come into my column view and maybe start to filter out all of the information that I'm seeing. So instead of seeing everything, maybe I really just want to be able to see the description of my applications. I maybe want to see the business value of those applications, the lifecycle phase that they are particularly in, and maybe I also want to see the technical fit of my applications, right? You do have the ability to move this information up and down as well. So maybe I want to see my technical fit next to my business value information and then my descriptions after that, but I actually want to see my life cycle phase at the very beginning. So you can start sorting through all of the different types of content, the metadata content that you have. You also have the ability to start exposing relationships here as well. So maybe you want to be able to understand who is the owner of this particular, who is the owner of these applications, and you have the ability to kind of toggle on that view here as well. Now, once you have all of this content up and ready, you are in the perfect position to go ahead and hit the button called Save as Report. And voila, you have now entered into the traditional report building environment that you are familiar with in the world of Ardoq. All that's left to do is give it a name, review the content that's been compiled for you using our data inventory mode, and make sure that everything is looking perfect for us to be able to save. That's it. Now you know how to create reports using inventory mode in Ardoq. If you found this useful, check out the rest of the playlist for more quick tips. And if you need help, don't hesitate to reach out to your customer success manager.